I'm going to demonstrate how to draw route lines for an activity analysis survey. I've unlocked the survey so that I can draw on the floor plan. I'm going to drag out a rectangle. I'm going to label the rectangle start. I'm going to draw an initial line by holding down the Option or Alt key and dragging from near the rectangle to near the first spot. Now that line is not wide enough for me. So I click on the line and I change the line width to 9. I can change the color if I want to. Click done. That's a lot better. I'm going to go back and hold the Option or Alt key, get to the end of that, and I'm going to draw another line. And we're going to go from C1 down towards C2 here. I let go of the mouse. I'm still holding the Option Alt key. Click again, come up here. Let go of the mouse. I'm still holding the Alt Option key. Click again and come down here to this area where we observe C4, C5, C6. And whoops, I guess we have to come down further to C7. Then I've let go of the mouse. I'm still holding the key, and I click up here to go by C8 and C9. And then I let go, and I click again, still holding the mouse, or still holding the Alt key. Now we're down to C13. Still holding the key. Click over here towards C14. Let go of the mouse, click again, and it's now up here to 17. These are line segments, so they can be adjusted. You come with your cursor to the end, and I have let go of the keyboard. I'm not clicking on, or I'm not pushing down on Option Alt. You can see the cursor change at the end of the line. I grab that and I move it. And then I go to the end of the other segment and move it. In this way, we quickly lay out a walking route through the floor plan.